Hi everyone, this is how to blend your bay leaves. First, I use my big blender to pieces it. At least it will be easy for me when using the smaller blender. So this is the outcome of it, and now I have to put it in the smaller blender so that it will give me exactly what I want. After blending it with the smaller one, it gave me exactly what I want. So this is the end results of the blending. I have to package it back, and that's all. Now I'm not going to find it difficult again using it to cook jollof rice, stew, or steam meat. Just try your own out and thank me later.